Anmol Bali is also reporting from a different location. We're looking at Haryana Chief Minister Anmol Khattar. We are looking at the Minister for Road Transport and Highways, Mr. Nitin Gadkari, and of course Prime Minister Modi inaugurating the projects. Anmol, over to you. What do you see around you? What's happening? What's on agenda?
Pooja, recently Prime Minister Modi has just arrived here some minutes ago, and now the function is going to start because it was seen that today Prime Minister of India is going to give people of both national capital Delhi as well as Gurugram 19-kilometer long stretch of Dwarka Expressway, which is a mega 8-lane project which will connect Khidki Bhola from Gurugram to the Dwarka, and this will ease traffic as well as pollution. I'll show you in the visual. Thousands of BJP workers, leaders from across the national capital, Haryana, and other regions have gathered here to welcome the Prime Minister Modi. And just 2-3 minutes ago, PM Modi has arrived. As you can see, the security arrangements are also here beefed up due to the arrival of Prime Minister Modi. And here workers are happy. Workers are simply chanting "Is baar 400 par," because it is seen that just some days before Lok Sabha election, BJP's this gift will boost their voter base as well as infrastructure push to the national capital as well as the adjoining city Gurugram. Pooja.
All right. Anmol, do you think you can speak to some of those supporters and workers who have gathered around? What do they have to say about the Vikas push by Prime Minister Modi?
विकास की राह पर अभी सरकार चल रही, क्या कहना चाहेंगे आप?
मोदी जी बहुत अच्छा काम कर रहे हैं और बहुत सारे उन्होंने फ्लाईओवर भी बनाए हैं, बहुत कार्य कर रहे हैं और अब की बार 400 पार
विकसित भारत का लक्ष्य जो मोदी जी लेकर के चल रहे हैं, ये शुरुआत है इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर की। मोदी जी की गारंटी पर जनता विश्वास करती है। मोदी है तो मुमकिन है। 2047 का जो उनका विजन है उसको जनता पूरा करने के लिए तैयार खड़ी है। आज
और भी 1 लाख करोड़ के प्रोजेक्ट हैं, क्या क्या बड़े प्रोजेक्ट हैं जो और
देखिए, मोदी जी इस समय जो भी प्रोजेक्ट हैं उनको सबको पूरा करेंगे और विकसित भारत के लिए मोदी जी का जो प्रयास है वो पूरा होगा।
Not only Pooja, Dwarka Expressway, but Bharatiya Janata Party is also going to take up the matter of the western and eastern peripheral way, which has also eased the traffic in the national capital as well as adjoining city. The BJP is in full mood for the 400 seats, and this is seen as their ploy to divert voters towards them.
All right, so clearly BJP's workers and supporters gathering in big numbers and pushing, of course, this infrastructure development. We are looking at Nitin Gadkari, the Minister for Road Transport Highways, Haryana Chief Minister Anmol Khattar in white, and of course Prime Minister Modi there, listening to the officers, the engineers, those responsible with this project as well. Let's go across to Ashutosh Mishra. Anmol, please stay on with me. Ashutosh, what I find interesting is because as I was doing my research on what is the inauguration, it's not just for Delhi Gurugram, which of course is the big mention. It will provide direct connectivity to the airport, the IGI airport in Delhi. But there will be inauguration of other projects also. So similar highway projects, but in different parts of the country also. Can you hear me, Ashutosh? All right, we'll try and get that line back on with Ashutosh. Remember, they're trying to speak to as many people, and it would be quite a time of commotion there. Prime Minister Modi there inaugurating and listening and understanding to what more projects are being inaugurated, what is really going to be the difference that it will make. Also speaking to youngsters who appear to have been a part of this Atmanirbhar Bharat and trying to initiate, trying to innovate, ensure that there are more and more, for example, the drones here that are being developed. With Atmanirbhar Bharat, remember, there are a lot of startups, there's a lot of push that has gone to entrepreneurs from across the country. And I see that there appear to be water droplets coming in from the drones, which is possibly helpful in agriculture. Anmol, as you continue to be with us, we are looking at different visuals, and it appears it's not just about the highway projects. Prime Minister Modi applauding to a drone show that is being hosted for him. So there are clearly different layers to the projects that are being inaugurated today by him.
Pooja, not only Dwarka Expressway is on the plate, but other many projects around India, from Andhra Pradesh to the national capital, will be today inaugurated. Not only this Dwarka Expressway, but the Najafgarh project of the Sector 24 Dwarka section will also be inaugurated today, as well as the Andhra Pradesh and Uttar Pradesh projects, mega projects, which will boost the infrastructure not only in the national capital, but in Uttar Pradesh, Andhra Pradesh, will be today inaugurated by the Prime Minister Modi, and it will cost around 1 lakh crore, which will both boost the jobs, infrastructure, as well as also decrease the pollution level. Pooja.